Toolkit Technologies is a workforce development company focused in the area of career and technical education. We're excited to announce our Workforce Wagon. The Work Wagon is a highly deployable, highly mobile, and customizable training space, and it's an exciting space to learn. There's nothing like a classroom floating 10 feet in the air with hydraulic legs lifting itself down onto a trailer and going anywhere. The Work Wagon is turnkey, ready to go within 15 minutes. We have a full-fledged classroom, so it's accessible for really all schools and all companies to provide in-house training. What we have here is a blank slate. It's a empty canvas that you can create any training space that you need. We have the ability to add windows, decals, but provide any training that is relevant, whether that's within automotive technologies with engine benches running down the center, or just a simple classroom with electrical trainers, or a full-fledged advanced manufacturing space or clean room that you see here. We often say you can't become what you don't know exists in the world. And so the Work Wagon is additionally a solution to take these types of careers and jobs and training skills to our communities as a whole. We want students to want to learn in the Work Wagon. Toolkit Technology wants to be at the forefront of impactful change. And so we're very excited to bring this to schools and communities and workforce development centers and companies across the country. We think it's going to be very impactful and make a lot of change happen, and we're excited to see what everyone does with it.